All right, guys, super excited to show you the new project that me and Lexi are gonna be working on. We decided we wanted to be in the downtown Wilmington area. A lot of you guys ask us if we think that the market is gonna be crashing here in Wilmington. Quite the opposite. I think that we're gonna continue to see a steady increase. It's gonna be a little bit more of a healthy increase, but we are very, very, very confident in this market in the downtown area, and we think the progress is going to continue. We bought this house in the downtown area, as you can see behind me. And the reason why we bought in this area is it is definitely an up and coming transitional area. This is kind of the last block of where it's still good. Let me show you around a little bit so you can see the neighbors. Both houses have been redone next to it. Across the street, we have a community garden, always a good sign that things are going in the right direction. And then, right across the way, we have a new hipster bar, always a good sign. Right now it's a really kind of a transition area where we have people with yoga mats walking down the street, but you still have kind of the bad element as well. You can see directly catty corner across the street here, right there. That house is condemned, so very much a transitional spot. The reason why we bought this house is pretty good shape. The bones are pretty good, does not have central heat. The roof has just been recently redone. A lot of the houses you're gonna see around here have new roofs from 2018, and that's because Hurricane Florence, everybody got a free roof with their wind and hail insurance deductibles. But here it is, here's the inside. Not a whole lot to look at the moment, but kind of cool original hardwood floors, original windows, very original furnace. This house has no central heat or air. This is the air conditioning. You can imagine that's real uncomfortable during summertime. That's gonna get changed. But really a standard little 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So yeah, we just want to give you guys a quick little walk through this. This is going to be the project for the next month or so on the side of things. And then the idea is probably just to put in a full renovation on this house and then a long-term rental. You can see kind of the back too. This is, one sec. Very small little yard. So haven't decided if we're going to be peeling off this vinyl siding and going back to what the original wood shiplap is underneath, but we'll see if we have the budget left after we're done with everything else inside. But anyways, stay tuned. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of videos over here and looking forward to showing you it.